Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a revolutionary solution for electric vehicle charging in urban areas, the BeamSpot by Beam Global. It's a streetlight, but not just any ordinary streetlight. This one is powered by solar and wind energy, and it could be the answer to a huge problem in cities around the world. As electric vehicles become more common, especially in densely packed urban areas, charging them has become a major challenge. People who live in apartments or don't have access to garages are stuck relying on public chargers, which aren't always easy to find. Beam Global aims to change all that with their innovative BeamSpot system. These massive 30 to 40 foot tall street lights don't just light up the street, they harness solar and wind power to create a clean energy charging station for EVs. Each BeamSpot unit comes with a 15 kWh battery pack, providing enough power to give EVs up to 220 miles per day. It's not a rapid charge, but perfect for a quick top-up while you're parked on the street, at work, or just running errands. Now, here's what makes BeamSpot really interesting. It doesn't need any complicated installations. Beam Global designed this system to plug into the existing streetlight infrastructure, so no new utility grids, no trenching, and no messy permits are needed. They're literally just replacing old streetlights with something way more. It's as easy as swapping out a light bulb. Okay, maybe a little more complex than that, but you get the idea. These chargers are perfect for communities where parking is scarce, like apartment complexes or dense urban centers. No more fighting for those rare public EV chargers. Just park on the street, plug in, and you're good to go. Now, BeamSpot does come in two versions, one with a wind turbine for added energy generation and one without. The wind turbine version is a bit taller at 40 feet, but both designs focus on using clean, renewable energy. So, what do you think? Could BeamSpot be the future of urban EV charging? Beam Global definitely believes so, and their solution could be a game changer for cities struggling to support the rise in electric vehicles. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech innovations coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.